Good day everyone. So today I will be teaching you on how to invite friends to like your Facebook page or how to promote your Facebook page in order to earn more likes and followers. So as you can see, this is now the updated version. Before, if you already in your Facebook page, you can automatically directly invite your friends to like your Facebook page. However, now, if we click this three dots here, there's no option for you to directly invite your friends to like your Facebook page. But you need to switch into your profile in order to continue inviting your friends to like your Facebook page. So, you need to change it to your Facebook profile, and then after that, you already are using your Facebook profile now. And what are you going to do is to go to your page, kindly search your Facebook page. So, search your Facebook page here. And then, after that, kindly visit your Facebook page. Now, once you visit your Facebook page, do not click switch because you're going to switch it again to your Facebook page. So, just disregard that. And then, here, you are just simply the visitor of your Facebook page. And if you want to promote your Facebook page and invite your friends to like it, just simply click here, the right the three dots, and then click invite friends. And now, as using your Facebook profile, you can now directly click and invite your friends to like your Facebook page. So that's it for today. So don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel and share it with your friends.